Alright, so she's gonna do her binary code and okay, jot it down. I saw some of you on the back of your worksheet did a little table with all of the bits. So that was good thinking. Alright, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So what was her number? 200? Yes. Alright. So everybody see how she got 200? Okay. Because this 1 stands for what? 8. This 1, 64. 128. Alright, Amari. Alright, so this is going to be our last binary code. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Alright, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay? What's our number? 112. Okay? So my zeros represent nothing. Okay? So this 1 represents what? 16. How many bits? 16? 32? 64. Alright? Alright, so we recapped on binary, our binary number system. Alright, the other thing we talked about was if-then statements, which are also called what? Conditional statements. Okay, so y'all want to demonstrate? Who wants to demonstrate the if-then statement? Come on. Alright, come on. Give me a computer programmer and some computers. Come on. Alright, so if, then. Alright, so we're going to do a short sequence. Alright, class, if the programmer does what? What do y'all want the programmer to do?
Clap.
Clap? Alright, so if the programmer claps, then the computers will...
Nobody said that.
Wait, what you say? Whip and nay-nay? Y'all know how to do that?
No.
No? Okay, come on. What the... Okay, so it's a dance? Okay, dance. So any type of dance. Okay, next command. If the programmer hops on one foot, then my computers will what?
Go crazy.
Huh?
Why?
We're just gonna say touch your nose. Oh, just so we can. Alright. And then remember we're gonna repeat, okay, the sequence. So we'll programmer, computers, repeat. Alright, so we're showing how our computers accept instructions from the programmer. Okay, go ahead. You can't be shy, go ahead and dance. Okay. Alright, repeat. Okay. Awesome. Alright, thank you, programmer and computers. Alright, so we're going to pull for our last door prize. Who hadn't pulled for me? Come on. What number?
13.
13. Oh, Vicky. Alright, read your ticket. Alright, last door prize. Alright, ladies. There you go. Alright, so how many people learned something that they did not know today? Alright, awesome. Alright, so the ones of you that are interested in a makeup class, I'm going to get with you. And you can keep your worksheets. And then if you want, you can put your ticket